Today, we're making a creamy truffle oil pasta. This recipe is simple, but a great dish for a romantic dinner or date night. Make for someone who loves pasta and loves the flavor of truffle. There are some great ways to modify this recipe as well with mushrooms and spinach, but today we're keeping it simple. So, let's get cooking. We're using 1 pound of Trader Joe's Parpadelli pasta nests. We'll go ahead and cook our pasta in a pot of boiling water. Once cooked, we'll remove from our pot of boiling water. And then on a pan, melt half a stick of butter. Add 1 tablespoon of our truffle oil, toasting up 1 crushed garlic clove. Once the butter has fully melted, we'll add 3/4 of a pint of whipping cream. And bring to a simmer. Then add back the cooked pasta. Give it a nice mix. And then gradually add about half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese while carefully mixing it all together. The cheese will melt with the sauce and pasta. We can drizzle a last bit of truffle oil for good measure, and then add about 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Then give the pasta one last fold, and enjoy! And boom, we have a wonderful truffle oil pasta. This is a fantastic meal for dinner, and while it may be simple to make, it is a wonderful treat that is creamy, rich, and full of flavor. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.